Good day everyone. I am Professor Angeline from BS and Rep 2D. Today's presentation, I will going to discuss the concept of industrial attractiveness. So what is industrial attractiveness? Industrial attractiveness refers to the appeal of an industry based on factors such as profitability, growth potential, and market stability. So next, we have key factors of industrial attractiveness. Industrial attractiveness helps determine whether an industry is worth pursuing based on various factors such as growth, size, profitability, competition, etc. A number of standard attractiveness criteria or factors can be used to determine general industry attractiveness. The criteria are as follows. First is growth. Several key elements influence growth potential are the demographic trends, social trends, and technology advancement. Demographic, social, and technology trends help businesses identify growth opportunities by highlighting changes in consumers' behavior and market demand. Demographic trends show which age groups or population are expanding, allowing businesses to tailor products or services to meet their needs. Social trends reveal shifts in lifestyle and preferences, helping businesses align with emerging consumers' habits. Technology trends introduce new tools and innovation that make products more accessible and efficient, driving industry expansion. By analyzing these trends, businesses can adapt, innovate, and position themselves in growing markets. The second factor is size of the industry. Industry size is another critical factor. Once an industry reaches a significant size, it attracts diverse competitors, which can make the market more dynamic and competitive. Third is profitability or returns. Fundamentally attract industries are those where the average returns on funds employed is greater than the average cost of funds. Profitability is a fundamental measure of industry attractiveness. Industries where the average return on investment exceed the cost of capital are considered more attractive because they create wealth. The competitive structure of an industry is shaped by three main factors: the intensity of competition among existing companies, the likelihood of new competitors entering the market, and the power of suppliers and buyers. So these factors determine how competitive an industry is, which in return affects its overall profitability. Next, supply chain influence. It means how customers and suppliers can affect the price and quality of products. Customers can ask for lower prices or better quality, and suppliers can ask for higher prices or better products. Next, market diversity. It means having a variety of customers, products, or markets to reduce risk and increase opportunities for a business. Next is cyclic ability. Cyclic ability, to some extent, is related to market diversity. The more extreme the cyclical nature of demand for an industry's products, the less attractive the industry is. And lastly, community risks, such as natural disasters, economic changes, or social unrest, can affect a business's operations, reputation, or sales. So let's proceed to Porter's 5 forces model. Porter's 5 forces model analyzed the nature of competition in a particular industry. Porter believed that businesses and industries where the forces are weak often enjoy higher profits. First is the threat of new entrants, that is, how likely is it that new competitors, new products will enter the market and disrupt existing businesses. Second, the bargaining power of suppliers, which is all about how much influence suppliers have. Third, the bargaining power of buyers or customers. This forces refers to the influence that customers have. Fourth, the threat of substitute products or services. So here, it is how likely your customers to choose something else. And lastly, the competitive rivalry in the industry or among existing firms, which is actually determined by the first four forces. So, by understanding these forces, businesses can develop strategies to compete more effectively in their industry.
Good day, everyone. I'm Jana Mica Fernandez, and today I will talk about the concept of marketing research, the benefits of having a solid marketing strategy, and the process of marketing research. Marketing research, it is the systematic gathering, recording, and analysis of qualitative and quantitative data about issues relating to marketing products and services. There are two types of data. First is primary data, gathered directly through surveys, interview, etc. The primary data, this is research, firm composes itself or hires someone to gather. The second type of data is secondary data, unexisting reports from government agencies, market studies. The secondary data, this type of research is already compiled and organized. An example of secondary data includes reports and studies by government agencies, trade association, or other businesses within your industry. Most of the research gathered is most likely to be a secondary data. These are the benefits of marketing strategy. First, market research guides the organization to communicate with current and potential customers. Second, it helps to identify opportunities in a marketplace. Third, market research helps to minimize risk. Fourth, market research measures the reputation of the organization in the market. Fifth, market research uncovers and identifies potential problems. Sixth, market research helps the organization to plan ahead. 7. Market research can help the organization to establish trends. 8. Market research helps to establish your market position. Next is the marketing research process. There are 7 key steps. First is to identify and formulate the problem. It is to understand the issue or opportunity. Next is to determine the research design. It is to decide how to approach the problem. Next is design the sample and data collection method. It is to plan how to gather the information. The next step is to collect the data. It is to execute the data gathering strategy. Next step is to analyze the data. It is to look for the trends and insights. The sixth step, it is to interpret, discuss, and present findings. It is to share results clearly. The last step is to follow up. It is to take action based on the results. These steps ensures actionable insights for marketing decisions. To sum up, marketing research and strategies are key to business success. By understanding customer needs, identifying risks, and planning for the future, organizations can stay competitive and make data-driven decisions. That's all. Thank you.